G'day folks, Tom here from Team Hutchinson Ford, and today we are looking at the new feature that's arrived in the 2024.5 Rangers. It is the Pro Trailer Assist. It's this little button right here that you'll notice next to your drive modes. What it does essentially is that it takes the reversing of the trailer out of your hands and the truck does it for you. So a couple of things that you get with it. One of them is this cool little sticker. Now what you do with the sticker is that you put it on the trailer in the designated area, which the owner's manual will show you, and calibrate the vehicle to the trailer so the car knows where it all is. From there, once it's all calibrated, which we've already done on this model, we just press this button here, and on the screen there, you will notice where the sticker is. See where we've put it there? And essentially, instead of having to use all my steering and doing 5 things at once, all I have to worry about is where the trailer's going to go. So I'll demonstrate here. We'll put into reverse, drive back slowly. So, see, it's already moving the steering wheel for me. And I just rotate the dial here to say where I want to go. So normally, remember when you're reversing a trailer, you do left to right, right to left. Now I just go, if I'm going to go right, I just turn right. If I'm going to go left, I'm just going to turn left, and the Ranger does everything for me. Okay, now let's just demonstrate there. So I'm just going to go right, 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 right. Just trying to line it up in that car park. Now this barbecue trailer that we have doesn't have a reverse camera on the back of it, so I am using my wing mirrors as well, just to line it up properly. And then when I release the dial, I'm just telling the Ranger to straighten it up. So as you can demonstrate there, oh, nice and easy. Now I'm not the greatest parker, mind you, but you get the gist of what it does. And then put in park, turn the car off, and away you go. Easy as. Yeah. Another cool feature on the 24.5 Rangers is the trailer side view mirror. Now what that is that if you've got your trailer all hooked up, then all you have to do is put your indicator on. So I've got the indicator on the left, and it's just showing me here on the left hand side. I can see everything down there, and if I do on the right hand side, vice versa. Cool. Come and see us at Team Hutchinson Ford, 186 Chewham Street. Inquire today, 0800 buy a Ford.